Fat Guy Flies RC got a little low light situation right now. Last flight of the evening. Going to take up the Mig-29 by Arrows. I've done that modification, like Rich Baker said in RC Informer, to stiffen up that front nose gear spring by putting about a ½ inch metal spacer in there, so that there's a lot less bounce in that nose, so I can save my nose wheel or my nose cone. All right, timer set for 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Here we go.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Great plane takeoff, great plane to fly. Kind of sketchy on the landing. A little bit of up trim. Well, I'm glad we got navigation lights. About 3/4 throttle right now. Holding in a little bit up elevator.
Gear down.
All right.
Landing flaps.
It's all about throttle, folks. Yeah, we're gonna just do it quickly one more time. My orientation's not that good right now.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
All right, take off from down here.
Take off flaps.
Here we go.
Gear up.
All right, gear is down.
Landing flaps. Time remaining 1 minute.
There, that's much better. Right there where she bounces down, if I hadn't had that spring in there, that nose would have bounced down even harder and ripped that nose off. And we got enough for one more.
Take off flaps. Seconds. Landing flaps. Seconds.
All right.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Yeah, I'm very glad I got that mod in there. All right, let's check the battery. Yeah, it may not seem that dark on the film, but for flying, it's quite dark now. I got the 4000 as far back as I can get it, allowing for a little bit of wiring between that and the firewall. 34%, perfect storage rate. All right, well, folks, let me go ahead and put that back in there so you can see it. That, folks, is the Arrows MiG-29. I go through nose cones. If you don't put, I put a little piece of metal about 1/2 inch in this tube here. You just take that screw there, undo it, this piece will slide out. Take the spring out, put that little piece of metal in there, like I said, about 1/2 inch long. Fit that down, put the spring back in there, and put that wheel back in there, and you have, there's a little bit of cushion, but not much. But that's what keeps that nose, because the spring in this is so weak and so soft, this nose would go all the way down, and there's not enough nose cones left in the world. So, folks, y'all have a good, and for the viewer that said, well, if you land right, you don't have that problem. Duh. Y'all have a good, and God bless y'all, and don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and then Arrows, planes. Bye-bye.